Did he crash? Wow, it's like a wall. No way. There's a truck coming, bro. There's a car parked in the middle of the fucking street. This is as extreme as it gets. He's not gonna... How is he gonna get out? Good evening, everybody. I'm back here with another video. I wasn't gonna record today, but since we have like a snowstorm tonight... Hold it right there, stop and take a look at this. This is the reason why this video was made for you guys. And this happened just a couple of hours after I was done filming. So one of my colleagues was driving on Europe Road number 4 and he came up to an accident and he was almost about to crash himself, first of all, because of the conditions and the visuals. So he finally got the truck to stop, and then he was sitting in the queue or line, so to speak, right in front of the accident. And they called the tow truck to actually tow the accident itself that was just ahead of him. And what you see on these pictures here is the tow truck not being able to stop because of, then again, the conditions and the visuals. And I don't know enough about it. I wasn't there, but I can assume from looking at the pictures, since he was called out to this very location to help out, he was not keeping the right speed. Obviously, I do believe he was driving a little bit too fast. And this is exactly why I'm making this, to show you guys that, okay, you might be able to drive faster than I am in this video, but you're not going to be able to stop. And we were lucky and fortunate that he ran into one of our trucks and not like a little car with a bunch of kids in it, because they would have, 1 + 1, you can assume that it would have been over. And this tow truck hit our truck so hard that the whole bar in the rear of the truck collapsed. We weren't able to move the trailer. Like the whole trailer got detached from the truck because of the impact. And I do believe, I heard that the driver of the tow truck went to the hospital. Our driver made it okay. He was, as we know, he has no injuries. And we're very thankful and happy for that. But unfortunately for the tow truck driver, he ended up in the hospital and had to go in an ambulance. So I'm just saying this to once again repeat and be very clear about just keep your speed and keep your distance. And if you can't see anything and if you know it's slippery, go slower than you can, so to speak. Be extra cautious because you don't want to end up in a situation like this. But with that said, let's carry on to the video and make sure to watch till the end, because this storm was pretty nasty, I'll tell you that. And don't forget to use my personal discount code. It's in the description. Let's get right to it. Good evening, everybody. I'm back here with another video. I wasn't going to record today, but since we have like a snowstorm tonight and I'm driving all the way up to Umeå with one of our nicer Scanias, this little pearl right here, I figured I'm gonna bring you along anyway, because we might have a shit ton of accidents and things to see today because of this weather. I don't know if you can tell, but it is pretty nasty out today. But this truck is beautiful. We got some extra lights on this as well, and we got some LEDs on the interior, stainless sides, and we also got a very nice trailer here, also from Limitech, stainless. And this one just came down from up north. I'm actually at Coop and I'm gonna load truck and trailer. I'm not gonna show you that unfortunately though, because we've done a lot of videos about that stuff, but we're gonna do mostly driving today, so tag along. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, it's cold as hell. God, I am not looking to. Oh, I'm gonna be right next to. I'm actually gonna be next to my colleague here. We're gonna load up together. It's freaking perfect. Damn, it's cold out. Well, this is all I want to show you before we start driving, because you've seen me loading, unloading a bunch of times, and if you haven't, feel free to check out my other videos on the channel. And also, I kind of want to touch on this too, since this is very time consuming and I'm doing it to help you guys out. I feel very free to hit that super thanks button down below. I appreciate that a lot. And let's get some loads or pallets on this truck. All right, so it's negative 17 degrees out. I just got fuel here. Fucking good. Oh, it's so cold. And we're just gonna do, I just finished fueling. That hurt. Just gonna take a little walk through here just to check that everything, and this is actually the truck that got the front flat that blew up the door and everything in my previous video. I wasn't driving, a colleague was driving, and actually the stainless a little bit. But look at all the snow here. This is nuts. It's a lot. Look at all this. It's insane, right? We're gonna take this little quick lap. I already actually cheated a little bit. I kicked the flaps a little bit. Look at all this stuff. And this is one nice trailer. I almost dropped my camera. It is so freaking cold. I can barely hold on to the freaking camera. I'm actually running a little bit, but every time we get fuel, we make sure that we don't have any flats or anything hanging loose. Oh, shit. Yeah, I don't want to do this no more. I want to go home. But, guys, look at this truck, or look at this unit. Still got, well, we got the headlight covers, too. Then again, I can barely talk. It's so freaking cold. I'm going to jump in this, and we're going to get going. I haven't really filmed a lot because I'm thinking we should save it for when we get further up north. Right. So this is a very impulsive video. I was not supposed to record today because I just wanted to work for once. But then they also said that there might be a snowstorm today, and I thought it was all bullshit, but it's not. I want to take you guys on this journey to teach you and show you the downside of this industry. It is very dangerous, and you also have to take some caution into consideration, or you have to, damn, I can't see that thing. Guys, I really want to show you what it can be like to drive through a snowstorm and what you should and should not do, because you will run into one eventually. Tag along, I'm going to show you highlights and do's and don'ts. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see anything because I can't. What you don't want to do, step one, is have the extra high beams on, because it makes it worse. Second of all, a great tip and advice is to put on or turn on the fog light in the rear. And I'm doing 57 kilometers right now. This is the original high beams, and my freaking wipers are freezing up too. And I just want to be very cocky and say this: I am glad that I do know the route, and I've driven here a bunch of times. I mean, I don't know every single tree and bush, but kind of almost. So that makes me feel very comfortable in this. And if you guys don't, then better take it easy. I do have a truck behind me. It looks like he wants to like pass, or I don't even know what he wants to do, but he's like tailgating me. Honestly, what if there's a truck that broke down or that has a breakdown right in front of me right now? I'm not gonna be able to stop, and that guy behind me, he's not gonna be able to stop either. Guys, don't get too cocky in this. Better safe than sorry. And then again, look, if I turn the high beams on, all of them, can barely see a thing. Wow, I thought that they were lying when they said that there will be a snowstorm, but this is actually pretty bad, I'll tell you that. We have an uphill here. I need to tense the axle like a lot. Pretty much almost like kind of lift it, I think, because right now we're falling behind on speed so much, and it's snowing like crazy, and we do not want to get stuck. Ah, come on. This is a nightmare. I don't like this one bit. I've done it a lot, so bear with me here. We're gonna be just fine. Now we can remove the tension. The worst thing is I can't see a goddamn thing, and that's the dangerous part. The snow itself is not that dangerous. It's just the freaking, ow, ow, shit. It's pulling your steering wheel, and it's windy too now. All right, I can't see. All right, there we go. That's the road right there. Oof. Yeah, it's a little exciting, huh? See if we can gain speed. This is an uphill, I know that. Tense the axle again. He's like flashing his high beams, trying to pass me. Are you a bro? This is crazy. Why would you even? I don't get it. I'm just mainly focusing on where to aim with my tires and what track to hit. Wow. Welcome to Sweden, guys. Alright, I can't see a goddamn thing once again. Uh-oh. I am... Oh. There's an uphill here, so I kind of want to gain some speed before that, but I don't want to go too fast either, because first of all, it's dangerous. Second of all, I can't see a damn thing. Kind of want to hit the road and don't want to like go off track, so to speak. Look at this. Wow. Come on, Scania, you can do this. I wonder what Skulaberget will be like. That's gonna be interesting. Yeah, it's gonna be a long night, guys, I'll tell you that. We got time. Not this much time, but what do you do? Can't do much. I'm sorry, my guy, but like I'm just trying to see stuff here too. My apologies. Ow, ow, ow. We kind of made it out of the storm, and it calmed down like a lot, and then it started to get really windy, and now it's starting to snow again. And I've never seen this many tractors out at the same time. They're everywhere plowing roads. We're coming up to Skulaberget, and I have no idea. Look, there's another tractor right there. I do hope that he pulls into the side, because I kind of want to keep the speed. Bro, please just go to the side. Oh, he is. Just want to make sure that he sees me. Oh yeah, he's making a turn. That's great. It is super windy, and it's just like sometimes they leave like patches of snow on the road, and whenever you drive through them, sometimes they're like molded with ice on the bottom. If it's shaped like this, like obviously the truck is gonna slide down, so like it kind of like grabs onto your truck and just throws it in whichever direction the ice is shaped as, and it's pretty scary. So I'm just like keeping my eyes out for that. But here we're coming to the foot of Skulaberget, and as you can see in here, probably it is very windy still. I just do not hope that, let me turn these off and just use the OEM high beams, because I can't see a thing. But we kind of need to keep some speed too, because oh yeah, it's getting really bad, the wind, because we need to get some speed before this mountain. Now it's not that bad, honestly. Now it's pretty decent. This is still drivable, but look at all the snow. wonder if we have to tense the axle. I'm just gonna do a little dab. All right, so I have no idea what to expect here. I'm probably gonna downshift here already, dab a little bit more. It looks like they didn't do a lot here. We're only doing 67, 64, 63. Climbing this mountain, I'm not sure if I would want to have a faster truck, because faster means that you can spin more as well. So I'm not really sure. I think this, I do believe this is a 580, and I think this is just enough for what we're doing. I actually turned off the fog lights in the rear. I'm gonna turn them back on because now it's, wow. Look at this. Come on. Come on, you. Is that somebody who's like stuck? No, he has his hazards on. I think he's stuck. Is he stuck? Did he crash? Bro, no fucking way. You're in the middle of the road. No, it's a tourist. Bro, don't do that. That's gonna be bad, like really, really bad. And I can't see a goddamn thing. I'm gonna turn these off. This is nuts. This is crazy. And we're supposed to go down too. Wow, we're gonna go super slow down this mountain. I am not. Uh-oh, I feel the butt is moving a little bit. Come on, you, go straight. I am so glad that I put a heavy load on the truck and over the drive axle today. All the heavy pallets went on this truck because I knew, or they said there was supposed to be a storm, but I thought it was all bullshit. But I figured, you know, better safe than sorry. Wow! Look! This is freaking nuts. I can't see. What the hell? We're not at the top yet. 39 kilometers. Please don't start to spin now, because then we're definitely and we're gonna get butt checked by the next truck because you can't see a damn thing. I'm just ready with my finger on the freaking button. Wow, it's like a wall. It hasn't been this crazy in a while, I'll tell you that. No way, there's a truck coming, bro. There's a car parked in the middle of the fucking street. All right, that might be bad. I hope the guy moved. Look, I can't even see him. He just passed me. I can't see anything. It's like he wasn't even there. Guys, this is as extreme as it gets. You don't get much worse than this. I'm just playing with the upper headlight. Look. Wow. I'm pretty speechless myself, and I'm actually Swedish. What the F is going on? This is like some sort of Game of Thrones stuff, or I don't even know anymore. I don't know what to make of this. And I'll tell you this, I'm not gonna be able to make it to, well, I got 210, yeah, maybe. We're gonna do hazards here. Wait, I have the rotor on the roof too, or the ramp. This is insane, you guys. Honestly, I don't think you're gonna get this elsewhere. Like, this is the place. This is the YouTube channel where you're gonna find this stuff, like, and you're probably not gonna find it anywhere else. So what I'm doing is I'm in manual, so it doesn't shift, And I'm just on like brake level 1. Now I put it back up to neutral and just rolling carefully. Because then again, I can't see anything. I'm gonna put it back down to level 1 again. Just slowly brake, because I know that this mountain, going down this mountain is crazy. You gain a shit ton of speed. Like I'm already gaining speed here, and I'm trying to brake a little bit. Because I'd rather, if we're crashing tonight, I'd rather crash at this speed than starting to brake whenever we're going too fast. But we're not gonna crash. We're gonna make it safely down this hill. It's just better be safe than sorry, right? It wants to pull me towards this wall to the right. I haven't had a situation like this in years. And there is a turn down here as well. I'm like sliding towards the ditch here a little bit. I don't care if this takes all night. I'm not gonna wreck this beautiful truck. I can feel the whole truck sliding towards the ditch here. I just want to check. Oh, wow. This is crazy. This is it's getting worse. How is it getting worse? How does it even get any worse than this? The freaking interior is shaking so bad. Because it's like packed with ice here. And we're literally, oh my god, thank you. It stopped leaning at least. Because I felt like we were going like sideways a little bit, like all the way down. Oh damn, now it's leaning the other way. I don't know if this is any better, honestly. Might have to accelerate here to not have the trailer like touch the wall in the middle. Oh god damn. I still have the warning rotor. Wow, you can see the trailer like sliding towards the freaking wall. Oof. Yeah, this is nuts. Guys, what the hell? I see the trailer in the mirror like sliding towards the wall the entire time. So I don't want to brake because then it's gonna slide even more. Like so it's better to accelerate, but we're going like downhill by like a lot. Well, at least this is a straight downhill. But it's so packed with like ice and stuff. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen Skulaberget this bad. I can see like 10 meters in front of my truck. Like, that's it. Wow, it's getting worse. It is getting worse. I'm just trying to look in the mirror so in case the trailer starts sliding, you kind of want to step on the gas. That's going to be scary as hell. Well, at least now you've seen the worst freaking snowstorm we've had in Sweden in years. This is ridiculous. And now it starts to be windy too. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I know that there's a right turn up ahead, and it's a little uphill, so we kind of need to gain some speed, but I can't see anything either. All right, here we are. We got street lights, oh thank God. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa! I felt the trailer going down towards that ditch right there. I'm glad I hit the gas. What time is it? 5 in the morning. Imagine the traffic today. At least it's not black ice. At least it's snow. So that's at least comforting. I can't. Look at this. Look at this. The worst thing is like, cause it's like compact ice that is shaped in certain ways and it tosses your truck, like I told you. Oh my God. We're doing 40 kilometers an hour. We're almost in Örnsköldsvik though. So it's probably gonna get better the closer we get. If we get there, that is. Because there's a huge downhill up here. And if there's been a lot of trucks braking here, then it's gonna be compact ice here too. And this is what, like, you guys get this firsthand. First person, oh shit. This is the mountain going down. I can't see it, but I know it. Because I've driven enough the distance from the uphill. So I know that this is a huge downhill. And there is a pocket on the right, and there's like a little rest area for trucks, but we're not going to pull in because then we're probably going to get stuck. I'd rather go super slow than to get stuck. At least make it to Övik, Örnsköldsvik. Look at this. Deserted land. This is like a movie, like a horror movie. Look, oh my God, look at my mirror. What in the hell? So now we're on a flat, and now this like insane downhill is going to start. It's going to start right here. Oh, look, there was a truck parked in the spot. Look, he's not going to... What the hell? How is he going to get out? No way. I'd be pissed. Whoa. There's a guy. Did he pull in here, or is he just like sleeping with his... No, there is no way he just went in here. Look at that. This is the... It's like a wall. Oh my God. Yeah, no, good luck, guys. Nobody who parked their trucks is gonna get out. No, literally nobody. I can't even talk right now. You're so stuck. You can't park anywhere now if it's like this. And that's the same thing with, even though I would run out of time and it would look like this, I would just still keep on going. And I would just print out a paper and then just write on it. Like, there is no freaking way you can park anywhere. And it makes it worse because it's so quiet. Like, it's like a horror movie. Come on. Before Skuleberg, it wasn't that bad. I hope it's not that bad after either. It's starting, it looks like it's starting to ease off a little bit. That was the nastiest snowstorm I've ever driven through, I think. Or one of them. Like, at least the top 5, like, for sure. Oh, now it's looking way better. And now at least we can see something. Look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Started walking on us. It's still walking. Ah, I got it. I know I have my reverse lights on and there's a truck behind me, but I kind of want to have them on so he can see where I'm going and stuff, so he can keep a distance. Wow, look. Just make sure you go to the toilet before you do this stuff, like, honestly, because you could have had like a little accident. All right, we don't need the reverse lights now. We can speed up a little bit. Now it's getting way better. I kind of need to get fuel, but I don't want to go into the gas station in Övik because it's gonna be impossible. I got 50%. We can make it to Umeå, but I don't want to stop. Like, I really have to pee too, but I don't want to stop at all. Nowhere. Like, I just don't. And there's nowhere to stop either because of this weather. So bear with me here. We're coming into Örnsköldsvik here, and it's just been snowing like crazy. Look, it's still snowing. It's not as bad, but I'm just curious to see what the city looks like. Then again, I need to get fuel, like, or I don't need to, but I want to. I'm at 49%, but I'm not going to stop here. Like, there is no way. Gonna tense the axle. Oh no, it's super slippery. I am not not going to shift here. Or I am, actually. We got this. I tense the axle, and I'm super heavy. There we go. Come on, you. Ah, perfect. I'm so glad I loaded properly today. The worst thing is we're gonna go down tomorrow. Or today, actually. It is today. There's a car that wants to pass me. Good luck, Chuck. I'm gonna stay in the middle for a little bit. You're gonna have to wait because I want to see how wide it is over here, because I don't want to smash you up against the wall. Like, because they plowed a lot, so the roads get more narrow. Look. Yeah, bro. You're not. I mean, you could try to pass if you want to, but that's your own risk. Wow. I've lost count. I've probably seen 20 tractors like plowing the roads and like shoveling snow, and it's freaking 5 in the morning. Oh wow. Oh shit. Oh, slippery. There's nothing good that comes with this winter bullshit. I mean, it looks pretty on a picture or for you guys watching the screen, but it's not a nice experience, I'll tell you that. I'm coming up the Stora Coop here in Övik. Gonna let off the gas. Let off that gas pedal. Oh wow, there's a wall here too. I'm so glad that this is snow and not ice though. Like, it could be way worse. Look at the wall. Oh my god, this is insane. I still can't like grasp it, because this is a lot even for being Norrland in Sweden. This is a lot. Oof, and it makes your stomach turn, I'll tell you that. Oh my god, no, they plowed here and this is like packed ice. Perfect. Freaking perfect. Alright, we're gonna turn those off. We're gonna try to get some speed here, but I don't want to go too fast either. Look at the flags. Wow, they're like bent because it's freaking windy out. Look at this. Wow. My god. This is unbelievable. It's like a fantasy world. Dear God. We're not gonna make it to Umeå, I think. Unless it has to stop like right now. Otherwise we're doomed. Kinda wanna gain some speed here for this uphill. Look at this. Oh, and it's so freaking windy too. Whoa, did you guys see that? Oh my god, it grabbed onto my trailer a little bit. I felt that. That's not nice. Let go of my truck, please, Mr. Wind. I thought they were, like, usually they over-exaggerate. Like, oh, there's a storm coming. Be aware, stay home. Don't go out. And then you get, like, this much snow in a little breeze. But they were not over-exaggerating today, I'll tell you that. The worst part is, like, I'm not seeing any other truck either, so I'm not sure if everybody just gave up or nobody's fucking dumb enough to drive. Now it's getting just almost as bad as Skulaberget. Like, what the hell? I thought we were going towards brighter days and better conditions. But the road is not bad. Like, the weather and the snow on the ground is fine. It's just that I can't see. We're doing 78 kilometers. It's kind of a lot for not being able to see. That made it worse. So I'm not gonna turn the OEM high beams off. I'm just glad it doesn't stick to the windshield and that your wipers freeze up and all that stuff. That's a nightmare. If people only knew what the groceries go through to get to the store, like, it's madness, honestly. All this so you can have some chips and beer and whatnot. Like, freaking yee-hoo! It's not that bad right now. As long as you got the street lights and everything, it's fine. But we're not gonna have any more street lights after this turn. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep you updated in a little bit. We're gonna see what happens here. I gotta pee. I've been like needing to pee for like 3 hours now, but I can't stop anywhere, so it is what it is. I know there's uphill here. I am not sure where the truck, there's a truck ahead of me, and whenever I can't see his taillights because he's like all covered in snow, but I just know that whenever I see more like fog coming from the like the snow fog or the steam or whatever, I know that I'm getting closer, and I kind of have to ease off on the gas. This is crazy. I can't believe like this night just took forever. Look at the tail. Look at his tail. Look at that truck. Wow. Nice. I hope they can see me too behind us. Why are we driving 17 kilometers an hour? It's kind of them and nice to pull over and let us pass. I don't know. We got, and then it just gave me a little warning saying 15 more minutes until 9 hours of drive time today. And we're not even in Hörnefors. This is bad. This is bad. 30 more minutes on the clock. Still can't see a lot. It's way better though. Like it's way better than what it was back at like Skuleberg. That was freaking awful. Not gonna forget that. Did he pull over here? Oh look, you can't even see this guy either. Nice. Oh, he's standing out there. Oh, nice. You're gonna die. Guys, in this storm and snow chaos, don't forget to go to buffenergy.eu and use my personal discount code AlexTits20 for 20% off. That little friend right there is the only reason why I'm able to still keep going. Make sure to go there. That's a sour cherry. That's my favorite. Get yourself one of those. Be smart. Get a buff jar. So I'm supposed to turn here in like 700 meters and switch with the other driver. I am just curious to see what the road looks like and stuff like that. I think it's going to be chaotic in here, but well, we'll see in just a second. And the people behind me, they're not going to be able to see that I'm turning either. So I really don't know. Let's just hope for the best here, guys. At least they're going to have to, they probably have plowed the road though. Yeah, they did. Let me see if they plowed in here. Freaking perfect. This is great. I'm actually gonna tense the axle. Oh yeah, this is great. This is perfect, honestly. Hold on, don't go in, please. Don't go in. I need to go. I can't stop. I'm not gonna be able to stop. Oof. In 1 minute, I'm gonna break into my 10-hour drive time for today. I really hope it doesn't. I'm gonna try to go to the pump real quick. Don't break the 10. Oof, I don't know if I did or not. Oof, that was on the dot. Look, 9 hours on the dot. It's freaking perfect. Oof. All right, guys, let's see what this truck looks like, and we're gonna switch with the dude. Guys, we're fueling up here. Oh shit. In Hörnefors. Look at all this snow. My GoPro. Whoa, my God, look at this. And I only got 3% on the GoPro. So I'm hoping that we can catch a glimpse of this. This is freaking nuts. But anyway, I'm gonna do a quick lap. Look at all this craziness. Wow. That's a lot. When you dust up his lights and stuff. That's freaking insanity. Oh, I need to head back. I'm gonna go to the apartment and get some sleep. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this video useful. Drive safe, like I did.